So I'm getting my hair braided today. I haven't had my hair braided in like 3 years. The last time I had my hair braided was probably my graduation from high school. Only 3 years ago. That's crazy. That was only 3 years ago. So we're about to braid. Hey y'all, it's your girl Gifty, the gift to your hair. Welcome back to my channel and welcome new subscribers. Thank you so much for you guys subscribing to my channel. We're growing and I'm loving it here. Please do like this video. This is a very quick video of me showing you guys I haven't had a sew-in in three to 4 years, y'all. Literally 4 years now. I haven't had a sew-in in 4 years, anything sewn to my head, and this has been like the first time in 4 years. So I'm showing you guys this little video process. My client is actually helping me by braiding my hair. This is where I went wrong. This is where I went wrong. She can braid, but she can braid tight, and she makes sure that she grips your edges so that no glue or nothing touches your edges. But with me, I have extremely sensitive scalp, and I have like these two like indent on the sides of my hair, right where she's braiding right there. That's an indent in my head, and it also has it on the opposite side too. I don't know what it is, but anytime a braid is right there, it hurts. It feels like my head is on fire. So now the braiding portion of like the sewing is fully done. Once you braid the hair back into cornrows, you go in and take bundles using a needle and thread. I then sew in the bundles onto my hair. It's quite self-explanatory. I do not need to see the back of my head to know what I'm doing. I can feel, like, I've done hair so much, like I can feel where the tracks need to be placed. I can feel when it's time for me to flip it over, and I can also tell how much tracks is gonna fit into a single spot of my head before moving forward. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm touching my hair, making sure I can, like, you know, feel what's going on, how it's turning, and I'm just sewing these tracks onto my I'm sewing these tracks onto my braid pattern. The hair that I'm using for today is gifty.org water wave, mink water wave in 28 inches. I was testing out this texture and I absolutely love it. This texture is fabulous. The hair is long, it's water wave, it's just giving me everything it needs to be given. I'm gonna continue sewing on the bundles to my braid pattern. Done with the sewing in the back, or I'm done with at least 2 bundles of sewing in the back. I'm going to be using the gifty.org HD water wave lace frontal, just the lace frontal piece. Right now I'm putting on the lace glue so that I can put on the lace frontal. I use the Elmer is like EDIN lace glue. I like this lace glue. It comes off very easy for me. It lasts really long, and it melts down seamlessly. So I can either use the I can either use the Ghost Bond, the Bold Hold, the Elmer's glue, the holding spray. Many options, but for today I'm using actual super lace glue because I thought I was gonna keep this sewing on for a super long time, but I took it off the day after. Actually doing the frontal on camera was so hard because I have to see exactly where I'm going to lay the frontal and then wrap it. So I had to go to the bathroom to get better lighting and come close to a mirror so I can see how to put the frontal on properly. So I didn't show that part, but I already put the frontal on. Now I'm sewing the frontal onto my braid pattern, y'all. I was so tired. This install took me way too long. My hands was getting tired a little bit, but I still worked through it. Now I'm going over and sewing in the bundles. Since I'm all done with the frontal part, I'm sewing in the bundles onto the hair. I'm just chit-chatting with my friend. Mind you, like I said, this one day I probably produced like 4 different videos. So this is just me doing my own hair. I do have different videos to show you guys as well. And y'all, taking that band off my neck was the best thing ever. It was hurting my head so bad. My friend Tammy was here with me at the salon as well. I'm gonna be posting the video of her hair. I did a cute purple wig on her, but basically this is my sewing video. This is how it turned out. I'm gonna post like some pictures to show you guys. Sorry, my lips are so dry. I've been at work all day. But this is how the sewing basically turned out. I added 3 bundles in the back. I did the frontal in the front. And then I'm gonna go, that's basically it. I don't know what else to say about this, but that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is me doing my sewing on myself after 3 to 4 years of not wearing any sewing. My experience was terrible. I took it off the next day, literally the next day, y'all. I only went out that day with this hairstyle. I took it off. But I'm gonna also show you guys another way to use your frontal if you don't want to do a sewing. So I'll see you next time. Bye.